Hello, this is David Towler with Supplemental Seminary, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can take your publisher file where you've designed your church bulletin and upload that to your website as a PDF file for others to view. What I want you to notice here is on my screen, I have already logged into WordPress, and this is what I use to design all of my websites, including the one I maintain for the church I pastor. And so I have that ready in this screen where I need to see here. Now, if you want to share on social media, Facebook, Instagram, or on the website or what have you, you take the publisher file, which you see here my wife designed, and we do have a template that I'll put in the description below that you can use. It's not this one exactly, but it's the same template. You just go in and amend it in Publisher, Microsoft Publisher. And so we have everything here for our weekly bulletin. And then on the back, we had some courses that we done this morning as well. Okay, and the fronts, we just have the church name, as you can see here as I zoom in further, because we get our bulletins that are already designed and we just place the text on them. That's the reason they're designed this way. Of course, you know, there is a way that you can fix that and put your own picture of your church in there. All right, so I have this now, and there's a couple steps I need to take. First of all, this is a pub file, a publisher file. That's fine, good, wonderful. But what I need to do is, because that's good, I say that because you can go back and design, you know, and not reinvent the wheel, just go back and then, you know, we get over here in September next Sunday and just change the date there and use the same template and just amend it and save on your workflow and your time invested. I'm going to go up here to File in the corner, and I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to do Save As. Now, here's where we need to change some things. In fact, I'm just going to put this in the downloads. Is once we get into this section, we need to go down, instead of putting Publisher File, we need to scroll down, and we need to choose PDF. So again, right here, instead of saving it, of course, you want to save it as a publisher file, but you want to go down and save as a PDF. Okay. I'm just going to put this in the downloads folder and save. All right, one more time. We want to save as a JPEG. This is for social media and the website. I'll show you that in a minute. Save as, download, or wherever you want to save it. And then we want to save it as a JPEG right here. Okay, save. All right, our next step that we want to do is go over to our website, and I can make a video sometime concerning building a website. I'm going to move myself to the other side so we can see better. And I want to upload these files, so I'm going to go down to media, actually up, okay? Media, click on that. And this is where we want to upload several files. Go to add new, select files. I'm gonna go to the download. We see them here. We have the publisher file and the JPEG file. I'm gonna hold down Control and click on both of those. So I'm gonna upload both at the same time. Open. Now you can see they're downloading right here along with my other files. Let me save you a step right here and find the PDF. Okay, that's actually the JPEG. That'll come in later. But go to to save yourself some time, let me back out and do it one more time. Find the PDF, click on it, go over here, copy your URL. Okay, so I'm going to copy that. I'm going to need that here in a minute. I'm going to close that. Now I'm going to go over here to Visit Site, and I'm going to go over to a page that I've put on here, Church Bulletins. And you can see we're a little behind here. All right, we go to Edit Page. And the good thing is, once we get in here, we can kind of copy and paste some stuff around a little bit. All right, now we're in this viewer here, but actually it would be easier if I can switch. So let me go back to view page, and I'm going to work on the front end of this one. So I'm going to go to edit with WP Bakery Page Builder. You may have another page builder. This one came with a template I bought for the church, so I use it. All right, so see, now I'm in here and I can do some things. You see I got single image. So what I'm going to do, and this part right here, if it'll let us see it, is probably text, but we're going to put a link. All right, so I'm going to hit this right here, and I'm going to go to single image. And then I'm going to go to media library. I'm going to add the image, the JPEG right here. I'm going to hit set image in the corner, which, sorry you couldn't see that. I'm in the way. Now we're going to toy with this a little bit. Most time on the, so I have my image here. In fact, let me do that again. Let me move myself up. I want you to be able to see this. I'm going to delete that. Do this quickly. Single image. We're going to go to image here. That is, yep, JPEG. Set image. There you go. We're going to scroll down, and we're going to put, I think, medium. Let's try medium for the size. We're going to do the alignment is going to be center. Click on action. We want to open a custom link, and that's the reason we copied it from earlier. Copy, paste. All right, remember I copied that earlier. I always like my link target to open in a new window so you don't lose them. You don't have to hit the back button. So new window, save changes, close. And so now I have the image is a hyperlink. Okay, I add that in there. And also I can copy this. Okay, I hit copy and I can move it over here. All right, so I just copied that one. I need to change the date and go into edit. And we're going to change this to, see, a lot of copy and paste in here just to save time. I can put the 30th, August the 30th, 2020, remove the link, make it again a hyperlink, and I'm going to paste, again, that link I told you about, apply. All right, and then I can edit that, which I want it to open in a new window, a new tab, update, save changes, close. So see, I have the one here from August the 30th. It's a little behind, but what I can do is move that later if I believe I can even move it this way. Well, actually, is a column. I can move it like that, put the most up-to-date one in the front. Okay, again, I took the column, I think it was, and moved it around that way. All right, still not the end. There's one important thing you have to do. Go up here to the right upper-hand corner, update, and give it a chance to update on the website. And once we get the green line across the top that says successfully updated, then what I can do is back out of this, and I want to test my links. So I go right here to Sunday, August 30th. I click on it, and I get in another window a PDF color bulletin before me. I go back. If I was to click on the image, which you could just use the image, I just like to do both for some reason. Click on it. Again, I have my PDF file. So there's two ways that you can add your bulletin to your website. And so if this video was helpful to you, if you please would you give it a like, a share, comment, subscribe? I would appreciate it. Again, this is David Towler with Supplemental Seminary. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments or you'd like to see more tutorials on church bulletins. And until next time, we'll see you in the next video.